দর্শকদের আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতির তরফ থেকে আজকের কোড়ার ওপর এমব্রয়ডারি এপিসোড শুরু করব, এপিসোড নাম্বার 46। কোড়া ইজ আ শিয়ার ফ্যাব্রিক অফ সিল্ক। সো তার মধ্যে যখন আমরা এমব্রয়ডারি করি, ইট হ্যাজ আ চিকেন কারি ফিল। পুরো লুকটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, একটা ট্রান্সলিউসেন্ট কাপড়ের ওপর একটা থ্রু আউট থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক কাজটার মধ্যে একটা ভীষণ ভালো একটা প্যাস্টেল শেড, ভীষণ কমফোর্টেবল, ভেরি ফেমিনাইন অ্যান্ড ভেরি ইজি ব্রিজি একটা ফিল আসে, যার জন্য এই ফ্যাব্রিকগুলো পরেও ভীষণ আরাম। অ্যান্ড দিজ আর অল ফেদার ওয়েট, লাইট ওয়েট ফ্যাব্রিক্স, পিওর কোড়া বেনারসি উইথ অল ওভার থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক। পুরোটা এটা একটা বিউটিফুল পিচ কালার, প্যাস্টেল পিচ কালার, তার মধ্যে পুরোটা এমব্রয়ডারি করা হয়েছে জাল উইভের ওপর। প্রাইস হচ্ছে 5990 রুপিস, 5990। এটা আসছে পুরোটা কোড়া অর্গানজা, একদম এভাবে আসছে অল ওভার। দেখুন আমি পুরোটা করছি, কতটা লাইট ওয়েট, সফট একদম ফ্যাব্রিকটা, উইথ ব্রোকেড ব্লাউজ পিস, with brocade blouse piece. এটা পুরোটা নাম্বার 1, price 5990 rupees. If you like the products, kindly take the screenshot of the product along with the number mentioned. The screenshot এ নাম্বারটা যেন মেনশন করা থাকে, so that I can understand the product which you want. The number will be easily visible, and also the color. Even if you or me go wrong with the description part, at least the photo will be there of the product which you want to purchase, so there won't be any confusion. This is a beautiful color of lime green color, খুব সুন্দর একটা soft color, lime green color with Banarasi woven border, again all over floral pastel jal embroidery. Throughout the work will be there throughout the sari. This is the pallu. Product number 2, 5990 rupees. I try to speak in all the 3 languages I know, so that you can understand English, Bengali and Hindi. The description part, it's also going, the details it's also going, so in case of any kind of confusion, you can just check the description part for the exact details you want to know, or definitely you can WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number is also going. There are 2 WhatsApp number. Only screenshots and WhatsApp booking will be accepted. ये भी बहुत सुंदर एक कलर है, इट्स अ गंगा जल कलर, बेज काइंड ऑफ अ कलर विथ अगेन ऑल ओवर पूरा जाल भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, उसमें धागा का पूरा काम है, सूता का काम। इसमें भी बनारसी सेम बॉर्डर है। मैंने ये डिजाइन का 3 ऑप्शंस आपको दिखाया, इसमें फिर दूसरा डिजाइन हम दिखाएंगे। ये डिजाइन में सिर्फ 3 ही कलर है, तीनों का प्राइस 5990 रुपीज। इकोनॉमिकल रेंज में बहुत अच्छा है ये कोड़ा, लाइट वेट है, सॉफ्ट कलर, और तीनों कलर ही अनकॉमन कलर है। हमारा सभी कम्प्लेक्शन में, इंडियन कम्प्लेक्शन में ये कलर्स बहुत ही अच्छा जाता है। देखिए इसमें भी पूरा काम है, और इसमें भी गोल्ड का, लाइट गोल्ड का पूरा ब्रोकेड वोवन ब्लाउज पीस है। देखिए इसमें भी बॉर्डर है, इसी का थोड़ा क्रॉप टॉप बनाकर या तो फिर स्लीवलेस भी इसमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। इसमें ब्लाउज बनाई, या तो फिर आप कॉन्ट्रास्ट में भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन इसका ब्लाउज पीस ही बहुत ही सुंदर है। ऐसे गोल ब्लाउज बनाकर रखेंगे ना, और काफी सारी से आप लोग मिक्स एंड मैच करके पहन सकते हैं, क्योंकि गोल्ड तो हमारा बहुत ही जरूरत लगता है। अच्छा, दिस इज प्योर सिल्क कोड़ा with digital print. Just see the beautiful peach color, the pastel shade, with all over digital printing done. This is the thread work which is done in self color, peach on peach, chicken curry work with scalloping border, throughout thread work. This is the pallu, 13,500 rupees. Pallu part, it will go just running like this, 13,500 rupees. Kindly leave comments if you like the products. If you want to book, please message. We ship worldwide. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will be going only via courier, and courier charges are applicable. This is the whole sari. And just see the beautiful chikankari blouse. I've given a fully chicken blouse in silk, thread work blouse in silk. Very soft, lightweight, summery, and it gives a very eye soothing look. Product number 5, 13,500 again. It's in light grey color. Just see the print. Very pretty digital print in pastels all over. Small prints with again thread work border. Just see the thread work. I'll show you the back part also, the finish. This is the back part. This is the sari. Very classy color. Same price. This is the part where you will be tucking. So this part, the embroidery is not done because you will be tucking this part in your petticoat. This is the look, and this is again the silk chicken blouse piece, thread work blouse piece. So I suggest you that you make the blouse with this only, because it will give a very grand look after completion. Sky blue color, again chicken border, 8,500 rupees. But these are not attached, these are directly stitched. So there are many karigars involved in this. This is the back part. I'll show you the back part. The thread work is in the border. This is the back part. This is the front part, self on self, with a crochet narrow border, and throughout soft, beautiful kalamkari look print. Just see the beautiful print. These are all one piece product. So if you have to book, as fast as possible, because first come first serve basis. 8,500 rupees, product number 6. And this is the whole sari. After we receive your payment, the products will be shipped in two days. If there's a Saturday, Sunday, then the shipping might be delayed to Monday. But then otherwise we ship it within 2 days. If not, the polish is required. Now again, if the polish or any additional services you require, then it will take another few days. And the tracking number, once you request for the tracking number, it will be given, but it's you can wait for 2-3 days, and then the product usually reaches you within 4-5 days. So 8,500 rupees with silk printed blouse piece. Same thing in a lemon tone. Product number 7, again 8,500 rupees. Chicken border, digital printed sari, digital printed blouse in silk. The body is in kora, and this is the thread work part. The prices depend on quality, printing, thread work, and the time involved. The skilled, the skilled artisans charges a bit more than the novice ones, but I usually work with experienced karigars, so there is very good finish of the product, which is very important to me. This is the blouse piece. Now this doesn't have the print. This will be throughout chikankari work. Product number 8, 8,990 rupees. So see, I'm showing you products from 5,900 to higher range also. So you have many options. This is a beautiful light brown color, light chocolate color when you mix cocoa with milk. Yummy. So that's the color of this sari. Beautiful color with again self thread work. This is the whole look of the sari. There's a very narrow gota cord piping that I've used just to give a little bit of zari effect. In between there are small tiny zari work in between the thread work, just to give it a bit of highlight, no sequins. Tasseling done. This is the pallu part, 8,990 rupees. This is the look. and this is the sari. You know, you can wear it to any summer formals. It looks so nice. This is the whole pleat part, and see even the blouse piece. I've not given a plain one. I've given a fully silk thread work blouse piece with this. Just see the beautiful blouse piece with this. You can make a little longer sleeve blouse. See, this is the blouse piece. It's a solid color sarees, monotone saree, but wear it with your gold jewelry or your contrast jewelry. It will really stand out. Full, very unique color. This is in silver ash color, all over thread work. Throughout embroidery in white color. See the back part. See the finish of the back part. 8,500 rupees, even though it's fully worked. Throughout embroidery. Again with a narrow crochet border. I just add little details like the borders, little zari, just for the complete look. The look should be ultimately grand and rich. The price is not that important. Main is the look. Any price sari you purchase, the look, complete look should be there, even if it's lower range one or higher range one. See the blouse piece. So the complete sari should look very pretty. So I think about the blouses also when I make the saris. Blouses are also very important. The look of the sari mainly depends on the blouse. Even if you don't wear anything, just wear a silver chain with this, but still the look will be good because of the complete sari and blouse concept. Product number 10. This is all over embroidery. Even the border, scalloping border is also in thread work. This is the look. This is the thread work. Just see the pallu part. Light peach color. 11,500 rupees. 11,500. All over pastel shade in silk kora, and it has a beautiful printed contrast digital printed silk blouse piece. Absolutely contrast blouse piece matching with the floral threads. Very unique combination. Product number 11. The same sari in a light ash color. It's actually off-whitish ash, you know, গঙ্গা জল কালার যেটা আমরা বলি, গঙ্গা জল কালারটা খুব সুন্দর একটা আনকমন কালার। একদম পাটটা এইভাবে যাচ্ছে, স্ক্যালপিং করে থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক করেই যাবে। প্লাস দেখুন এটার মধ্যে কিন্তু পুরোটা সুতোর কাজ যাচ্ছে, সমস্ত প্যাস্টেল শেডে সুতোর কাজটা করা হয়েছে। আঁচলের মধ্যেও কিন্তু এভাবে কাজটা আসছে, পুরোটা এভাবে ঘুরে যাচ্ছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি এগুলো খুব পার্টি লুক, খুব স্মার্ট লুক শাড়ি, তো এগুলোর মধ্যে আলাদা করে কোনো আঁচল করা নেই, কাজটাই পুরো ঘুরে যাচ্ছে, কারণ এটা যেহেতু অল ওভার কাজে আসছে শাড়িগুলো। আর একদম এরকম ভাবে পাটটা মানে প্লিটসটা দেখুন, আমি এভাবে দেখালে আপনারা বুঝতে পারবেন কাজটা কোভাবে করা হয়েছে। अगेन এটার সাথেও কিন্তু আমি একদম লাইট মিন্ট গ্রিন কালারের কিন্তু একটা ব্লাউজ পিস দিয়েছি, পিস্তাশিও কালারের, যাতে এটার সাথে কাজটা একদম অন্যরকম ভাবে ফুটে আসে। এটাতে পুরোটা সেলফ অল ওভার কাজ যাচ্ছে, ব্লাউজটা একদম কন্ট্রাস্টেড, কিন্তু পরলে পরে বুঝবেন এটা লুকটা কিরকম আসে। একদম এরকম ভাবে পরার পর এগুলোর গেট আপ আসবে। এখন হয়তো মনে হচ্ছে এত অফ কালার কেন ব্লাউজটা, কিন্তু যখন কমপ্লিট পরবেন তখন দেখবেন গেট আপটা। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 12, 12,900 রুপিস। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 12 দেখুন একদম রোজ প্রিন্টের ওপর, ডিজিটাল প্রিন্ট, একদম স্মাজ করে করে প্রিন্টটা করা হয়েছে ডিজিটালের ওপর বডিতে, কিন্তু দুদিকে পাটটা কিন্তু চিকনের কাজটা পুরো থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক কাজ করা হয়েছে। আবার দেখুন আমি একটা ক্রশে ন্যারো লেস বর্ডার ইউজ করেছি, যাতে ফিনিশটা খুব সুন্দর আসে, ভালো লাগে দেখতে। এরকম পুরো লুকটা আসবে। আঁচলটা এটা 12,900 rupees, 12,900 in baby pink with Rani roses, red Rani roses all over. এবং এটার সাথে ব্লাউজটাও দেখুন, ব্লাউজটাও কিন্তু একদম কন্ট্রাস্টে, একদম এরকম ভাবে ব্লাউজটা আসে দেখুন। আবার এটার সাথেও কিন্তু আমি একটু টোনটা চেঞ্জ করে পিঙ্কের মধ্যে গ্রে দিয়ে পুরো অল ওভার খুব স্মার্ট একটা সিল্ক প্রিন্টেড ব্লাউজ দিয়েছি। আবার এটার সাথে যখন পরবেন দেখবেন কত ভালো লাগবে, কারণ এটার ভেতরে কিন্তু গ্রে দিয়েও প্রিন্ট আছে। এবারে চলে আসছি সিল্ক কোরার ওপর থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক with handwork sequence, মিষ্টি একটা পিচ কালার। থ্রেড ওয়ার্কটা দেখুন, পুরোটা filled thread work. Just see the shading, the colors that has been used in each flower or the leaves. So much detailing and neat finish throughout the border. This will also be in hand, this line blanket stitch. This is the whole sari, and these are also done in hand, the self color sequence, just to give it a brighter look. This is the pallu part. Price 12,900 rupees. Lower part, the border will go with self sequence all over. This is the look sari, but again I'll show you the blouse. It's in silk with border. This is the look. Beautiful sari. Now comes silk kota 12,900 chicken work, pure silk kora kota, but this will be very, very soft because I'll show you the fabric itself. It's so unique. Just see the fabric. It's sheer fabric of silk kora, and then the thread work is done in such sheer fabric with all over work. If the quality is not good, it is not possible to do so much of jal work. So you can see the look, just see the softness, even if it's a kora, silk kora. See the multicolor handmade tassels. Beautiful fall, beautiful. Just see the look. This is a shade is also very uncommon, since it's a lemon and lime. It's a unique color combination. This is the blouse piece, but again with this, if you don't make a blouse with this, you can of course go for a contrast olive color blouse. Olive will also look nice, and you just use this fabric for the back part or anything. This is the look. Yeah, very pretty, and I'll show you the back part also. This is the back part. Just see the finish. It seems as if this is the front part, but this is the back part. The same sari I'll show you in a baby pink color also. Since these are designer wears and these are signature pieces, I'd like to keep it just 1-2 pieces each product, so that the uniqueness is there. And of course I keep creating, so there will be more stuffs coming up. So don't be disheartened if you don't get the product, because these take a long time to create. Again I'll show you the back part. 12,900 rupees. This is the tassels done. Just see the beautiful color. Soft pastel baby pink color. We do take orders of certain products. Suppose the first few, if they are sold out, so we can recreate certain products, but you have to give us time. We need that at least 2 to 3 weeks depending on the product that you want, and you have to have that patience because these go to a lot of karigars and then it comes. So maybe I commit you 3 weeks, but it can be a day or two more. So you have to keep that in mind and then give the order. This is also in pure Kora silk. Now see, this is a pure Kora muslin handloom sari. The pallu part is woven sequins. It is not attached by thread, it is woven. So the back part you will see, you will understand, this is absolutely woven Bengal pure silk muslin, Kora muslin that we say, with all over thread work. The upper part will have butta and the lower part will have this Kashmiri embroidery. This is the lower part. And lovely shade. It's a dark biscuit color. Very unique color. 10,500 rupees. 10,500. If you visit the store, you will find many more ranges, many more varieties. But for this program, I usually select the uncommon and little exclusive ones. Just see the blouse piece. This is also a woven blouse piece with the sari. So just go through the Facebook page. The link is already going in the description part. So there you will find more options of the products. It's all given in the album, like Kora's, the album is there. Sui Dhaga collection album, you'll find more options of these products in different ranges also, in lower ranges also. Like this is the one that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a yellow color with silver zari border and tassels, all over chicken work. Just see the border. This is the look, and this is the colors that I'll be showing of the same product. It's in off-white color, our favorite off-white and silver with all over thread work in paisley motif. This is the look. The jewelry that I'm wearing, it will go with all the ones that I'm showing. See, this amethyst choker that I'm wearing, 4,900, right? 4,900, okay. This is 4,900 rupees, the silver choker. 3,900. Okay, 4,990 rupees. This is a choker with the pearl beads, rice pearl beads. We have this color, the amethyst choker. See, I'm wearing it against this white color. This is also going with this. I'm wearing a yellow color where there is no color of purple, but even that will go with that. You just wear a small stud and the choker will make wonders. The whole look will look very nice with this choker. We have more colors in the choker also. And see, I'm giving you this silk blouse piece. Silk solid color blouse piece. So make a closed neck, back open blouse with this, or even a front open would do, but back open will look very nice with this. This is the sari with silver pallu. Product number 18. Same sari, same price, 9,950 rupees. Just see the color. I don't know what color to say. It's not lavender. It's a dusty mauve, you can say. Very unique light mud color. Beautiful shade. And then the blouse piece. Just see the color. ₹9,950 rupees in Kora Banarasi chicken work. Product number 19, 9,950 rupees. Sea green color, mint green color. All the colors are in pastels and all over paisley work with silver zari, and all the colors are exclusive. See, it is very difficult to select which color you would want because all the colors are very, very pretty. Just see the blouse piece. This is the sari. And product number 20, baby pink. Even the one that I am wearing, that stock is also available, that color, yellow color, and this is the sweet pink. So we have 2 branches in Kolkata. We are a 25-year-old flagship store, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other store is near Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. The other days, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we remain open. We have our tailoring unit. We do stitch blouses, suits, kurtis, and more. So if you want these to be stitched, the blouses, and provided you give us the correct measurements, we can do it for you and ship it. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Namaskar.